When you need to dig deeper, layer multiple data sources, or run repeatable intelligence research, that's where workflows come in. With the Sixtyfour platform, you can either build workflows from scratch using one of our pre-existing templates, or you can ask the agent to create a workflow for you on demand. With workflows, you can chain powerful workflow blocks together as each block represents a specific action, like searching, fetching from a data source, running analysis, applying a filter, or cross-referencing another dataset. By connecting workflow blocks together, you can create a powerful and automated intelligence pipeline. In this existing workflow, I actually added a couple workflow blocks in order to validate and find people's email addresses. I'm actually trying to target 100 of the top AI engineers in the San Francisco Bay Area because I have an important event coming up where I'm trying to find people to talk at this event. So by using my existing workflow that I created earlier with an agent, I added these two blocks, find email and verify email, which will help me narrow down people that have actual email addresses I can reach out to. Within the workflow editor, you can see there are plenty of workflow blocks that you can use to create custom workflows or modify existing ones. Everything from importing data through a webhook to finding data on X or TikTok to run intelligence on people, places, companies, emails, or you can even extract from websites. And then there's plenty of tools that can help you filter, dedupe, structure the data, or output it the way you needed to see it. And finally, you can use AI actions like generate text or send results to Notebook, Slack, or even to an HTTP request. With a complete workflow, you can now do something very powerful. You can schedule workflows to run on an interval. If you want to run a workflow frequently, you can schedule it by setting up the scheduler and decide how often you want to run it. In this case, I decided to run this query to try to find these top 100 AI engineers in San Francisco every week. I have about 2 months till the event actually starts, so each week I'll run this workflow and I'll check the data and see if I can find new people to reach out to in order to invite them to be speakers at my conference. And if you don't like the custom schedule options, or the common schedule options, you can do a custom cron, and you can set it up however you want to using a cron job. Workflows are useful in any intelligence context. And when a workflow finishes, you can export the output as a CSV file, perfect for integrating with your existing tools, or output the data to a notebook and share that data with a colleague. Finally, you can use our API programmatically to download workflow results as well. Whether you need data on demand or repeat it on a schedule, workflows can turn the Sixtyfour platform into a powerful intelligence automated research tool.